Alright guys, how's it going? This is Bill from Vision Motorworks. We're back working on the Shovelhead build. Today we're going to start shaping out some aluminum for these panels. We're going to start on the gas tank. I figured it'd probably be a good one to start on for the first video on this. We're going to do this in 4 pieces, so it's going to be a top piece, 2 side pieces, and then the bottom piece with the tunnel. I figure that's probably going to be the best way to do it. I thought about maybe doing 2 side pieces and then the tunnel, but I think it's just going to go a lot smoother if I just do 4 pieces. So yeah, basically I got some cheap paper from Harbor Freight and some little tiny magnets from Harbor Freight, real cheap stuff. So I'll just lay the paper over top, you know, make a template, and then transfer that to the metal, get it cut out, and then we'll get started shaping some metal. All right, let's go. Let's get to it. Alright, so after a lot of work, we're to this point now. I still got to put the tunnel in. I made the tunnel and everything, but I got to put it in, weld it in, got to weld in the petcock, get all that stuff. But I got a little machining to do before I can do that. And then I'm going to do 2 gas caps, one on each side of the front here. And those are probably going to be machined out of bronze. So I'm going to do bronze gas caps on each side. And I'm going to do bronze accents on quite a bit of this. But as you can see, I did a nice little peak down the center here, and I'm going to continue that through the fender. Should be pretty cool. Like I said, I still got a lot of work to do on this tank. It's pretty close, but it's got a couple little lumps that need taken out and stuff, but for the most part, this is pretty good. I'll have a little more work to do off camera, but there's no sense me sitting there, you know, having me on camera beating on a panel for 3 hours. So, but yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for that. The petcock is going to be pretty cool. The gas caps are going to be cool. So on the next video, we'll be probably starting either on the oil bag or the rear fender. I'm not sure yet. We may just go ahead and knock the oil bag out because that's going to be pretty simple. But yeah, if you're into this kind of stuff, like, subscribe. The rear fender is going to be an interesting one. It's going to definitely take some time. This right here, just to get to this point with the peak and everything, this is probably about 6 days worth of work. I probably could have saved myself some time if I wouldn't have done it the way I did. I should have done it in 2 halves instead of the top and then the sides. It just would have been easier with the machinery I have. Getting it through the English wheel and stuff like that would have been much, much easier if I would have just done 2 sides and then did my rib down the center. Now I know for next time, but all in all, it's turned out pretty good. I really, really like it. I really like the rib going up the top here. And like I said, when it's done, the frame will probably be black. And then everything's going to be like this. I'm going to go through, I'm going to polish the whole thing out. It'll be all polished aluminum. I did a light polish on it right now just because you can see where your low spots are really good if you put a light polish on it. You can really catch where all your low spots are. So yeah, like I said, more to come. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.